Welcome to Health and Beauty. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful natural remedies for thinning hair, hair fall, and slow hair growth: onion juice. Yes, simple onions, but with scientific power, ancient use, and modern research support. And by the end of this guide, you will understand exactly how onion juice works, how to use it correctly, and how to stop hair fall in a natural and effective way. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin your journey towards stronger, thicker, and healthier hair.
Let's start with the big question. Why does onion juice help with extreme hair growth? Onions contain a unique mix of nutrients, and 3 of them are extremely powerful for hair. 1. Sulfur, the hair-building mineral. Sulfur is the backbone of keratin, the protein that makes your hair strong, shiny, and resistant to breakage. When sulfur levels drop, hair becomes weak, thin, brittle, and prone to falling out. Onion juice provides sulfur in a natural, easily absorbable form, giving your hair the raw material it needs to rebuild. 2. Quercetin. This is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Quercetin helps your hair by calming autoimmune hair loss, reducing inflammation in hair follicles, improving blood flow, supporting faster regrowth, fighting scalp infections like fungus, yeast, and dandruff. Quercetin is found in many foods, but red onions have the highest concentration. 3. Natural antimicrobial power. Many people suffer from hidden scalp issues: fungus, yeast, bacterial overgrowth, or clogged follicles. Onion juice naturally cleans the scalp, clears buildup, and supports a healthy environment for hair to grow. This combination makes onions one of the oldest and most effective remedies for hair loss, used in Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, and supported today by dermatology research. This remedy is not only for one type of hair problem. It may help with a variety of hair loss conditions: nutritional hair thinning, hormonal shedding, mild alopecia areata, post-illness hair fall, dandruff-related hair loss, fungal scalp issues, stress-related shedding, slow hair growth. If you are dealing with patches of hair loss or general thinning or weak roots, this remedy can support healthier regrowth. Let's make this very clear. This remedy is not based on myth. There are scientific studies, including one published in the Journal of Dermatology, where participants applied onion juice. Others used plain water. After 6 weeks, the onion juice group saw significant regrowth, while the water-only group barely saw any improvement. This tells us one thing: onion juice works if you use it consistently and correctly. Here is the fresh juice method, easy and powerful. You will need 1 medium or large red onion, a blender or grater, a clean, thin cloth or sieve, a jar or bottle for storing. Steps: wash the onion thoroughly. Peel it and cut into small pieces. Blend or grate it into a paste-like mixture. Place the paste into a clean cloth or sieve. Squeeze out the juice into a bowl. Pour the juice into a container or squeeze bottle. That's it. You now have pure onion juice ready for use. To get the best results, wet your hair slightly. Apply onion juice to your scalp, not just the hair strands. Use your fingertips to massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave the juice on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo 2 times to remove the smell. Do this twice a week consistently. To make your mixture even more powerful, add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Why rosemary? Because research shows rosemary oil can be as effective as medical treatments used for hair loss without side effects. It boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, stimulates hair follicles, and strengthens roots. Adding rosemary oil turns onion juice into a super growth formula. Now, if you want the strongest possible version of onion juice, you can ferment it. Fermentation boosts quercetin levels, vitamin availability, scalp absorption, pH balance, and antimicrobial strength. To make the fermented version, prepare onion juice as before. Add 1 cup of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Add half a teaspoon of raw honey. Cover with cloth and leave for 72 hours on your counter. Tiny bubbles will appear. This means fermentation is happening naturally. Strain again, store, and use the same way. This version is extremely powerful for people with stubborn hair fall, alopecia patches, dandruff fungus, slow growth.
With consistency, week 1 to 2, reduced shedding. Week 3 to 4, baby hairs and new growth. Week 5 to 6, thicker roots, stronger strands. Week 8 plus, visible improvement in density and volume. Every scalp is different, but onion juice is one of the fastest natural remedies for restoring hair health.
Important reminders. Always do a patch test on your arm. Avoid contact with eyes. Do not use if allergic to onions. If scalp burns strongly, dilute with aloe vera. Pregnant or sensitive individuals should consult a doctor.
Onion juice works best when combined with proper nutrition. To support stronger hair, increase protein, eggs, fish, legumes. Add omega-3 sources. Take vitamin D3 if deficient. Consume zinc-rich foods. Include leafy greens and nuts. Healthy hair starts internally and grows externally with the right care. Thank you for watching Health and Beauty. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to follow us for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Remember, your hair can grow back stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. All it needs is the right care and consistency. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and take care of yourself.